Hey guys, welcome back to Lou and Global Unboxing. Today I found an accessory for my Canon camera I didn't know about. There's probably a lot of people that know about it already, but I didn't know about it, so I'm sure there's other people like me that didn't know. So here it is. It tells you it's compatible with the EOS M50, the Mark II, M50, M200 cameras. So if you have those models, it's compatible with your camera. Okay? And it's basically an adapter that plugs into a battery that you can plug into your wall outlet to give it constant power without having to worry about, your battery running out, and you can use this as your webcam. So they call it basically a webcam kit. So let me open this up here and we'll take a look at these. Alright. Here is the USB cable that you get connected to your computer. Here is the power adapter. Just a little utility card, warranty information. Uses. Wait, something else in here. Oh, here it is. You don't want to forget, this is the main component here. The battery. Alright, let's get this crap out of the way there. Alright, now, this is the battery adapter that plugs into where your main rechargeable battery goes. But this has, let's see if I can get that. You guys can see it. See, there's a little, you can see that hole. That's where the power adapter plugs in when you put this in your camera, so you don't have to worry about charger battery. So let's open this up. I'll show you guys. There's the power brick here, the cable. That's it. Some instructions. Alright. Let's get this. Let's get the power cable out. This fits it. Alright. You get a pretty long cable. Alright. Brick here. And here is where it plugs in. You guys see that? Plugs right into there, okay? Well, let's get this hooked up. Alright. Now, on your camera, mine's the EOS M50. This is the model I have. Open that up. Take out your regular battery and put in the adapter here. And when you close this, you can see that they designed it so you can move this little rubber pad or sealer here, move that out of your way, and plug it right into here. Okay, and you can plug it right there. So that's how that adapter is set up, and you'll be able to get continuous power to your camera through this cable here. There it goes. That bad boy's on. can see. And I'm getting power straight from my wall outlet. Okay? So, as simple as that. And then you can hook it up. You can hook this up to your PC and turn it into a webcam, basically. So, that's basically what this adapter is. So you can use this as a webcam and film all your videos, or without worrying about your battery running down while you're filming. But that's it, guys. I'm not going to hook it up to my computer and go through all that. That's a simple step after that. But they'll also have you download this EOS Webcam utility. You can go to the Canon website, and download the free utility for the webcam, so you can use your camera as a webcam. But that's all you have to do, basically. Get this accessory, download the utility free from Canon, and you're set up with a webcam. But that's it. But hope that's helpful for you guys, and for all the people that didn't know about it like me. So thanks for watching the video. Hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.